Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best tech accessories to enhance your gadgets. Today, we're talking about the MoKo band, a top contender for the best Garmin Fenix 3 HR watch band. If you own a Garmin Fenix 3, Fenix 3 HR, or any compatible Garmin smartwatches like the Fenix 5X, Fenix 5X Plus, or the Descent MK1, this could be the perfect replacement band for you. The MoKo band is a soft silicone replacement band designed with comfort, durability, and style in mind. With a smooth finish, it provides a sporty yet refined look, ensuring that your watch not only performs at its best but also looks great while doing so. The band's silicone material is soft to the touch, offering a comfortable fit for all-day wear without any irritation. This band fits wrist sizes ranging from 5.70 inches to 8.26 inches, which covers most wrist sizes. The installation process is also incredibly straightforward. It's designed to securely fit onto Garmin watch lugs, and it even comes with 2 screwdrivers to make the replacement process easy and hassle-free. The innovative pin and tuck closure ensures a snug and clean fit, preventing any unwanted movement of the band during use. The MoKo band is also equipped with metal parts made of hypoallergenic, nickel-free stainless steel, making it a great choice for those with sensitive skin. This is an important feature because it ensures that the metal components won't cause irritation or discomfort. Even during long workouts or outdoor adventures, one of the key benefits of the MoKo band is its versatility. It fits a wide range of Garmin watches, including the Fenix 3, Fenix 3 HR, Fenix 5X, Fenix 5X Plus, D2 Delta PX, and the Descent MK1, among others. This means you can easily replace your worn-out or broken watch band with a stylish and comfortable alternative without worrying about compatibility issues. Overall, the MoKo band is a well-made and practical replacement for your Garmin Fenix 3 HR or other compatible Garmin watches. With its durable silicone construction, comfortable fit, and easy installation, it's a solid choice for anyone looking to enhance their smartwatch experience. If you're looking for an affordable, high-quality replacement band for your Garmin watch, the MoKo band is definitely worth considering. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique, and we'll see you in the next video.